Hi children, this is Miss Yasmin. Today the lesson we are going to do is in your ERA book, page number 50. Okay, so we have done a lesson like this previously. So we have got another lesson. Okay, like that. Okay, let's see. Read with your teacher. Okay, it was a sunny and a hot day. Anne and Mary were playing in the garden. Little later, the surrounding was getting dark. Anne looked up. A dark cloud was covering the sun. It is going to rain, she said. The tree swayed to the wind. The wind was cold. Birds flew away to their nests. It's drizzling, said Anne. Suddenly, they heard a rumbling noise and saw a flash of lightning in the sky. Thunder and lightning, shouted Anne. Come, let's run home. So what is this passage about, children? This is a passage about how they experience a change in the environment, where suddenly from a sunny and a hot day it turned into a rainy day, like we are experiencing this sort of weather in Sri Lanka, isn't it? You see, in the morning there is sun, then suddenly there is a dark cloud, the sun is covered by the cloud, and then it starts raining. We are experiencing this. So you can see the change in the environment. Even in our previous lesson, I explained to you how there is a change in the environment. How from a sunny day to a sunny hot day, it can turn into a rainy cold day, within a couple of minutes. So then you see these two children, Anne and was playing out in the garden with a friend, and then suddenly there was a dark cloud covered the sun. Then she knew it was going to rain, and then what happens when it's going to rain? There is a wind, there is a wind that blows, and then it becomes cool. Then we can see the trees, it sways from side to side. If we look outside, we can see all the birds flying, they go and take shelter. Either they go to their nest or they go under a branch so that they don't get wet, and then suddenly sometimes it starts drizzling. What do you mean by drizzling? There is a little rain that comes, little drops, not at once, it's a little drops that fall, and then suddenly sometimes you can hear thunder and lightning. I am sure you have experienced that. Some of us get a little bit afraid of thunder, because of the noise that it makes. If we are not aware of it and it suddenly comes, we see that some of us get a little bit scared for the thunder. And then we hear like a rumbling noise, and then with thunder there is, after a few seconds, there is lightning in the sky, and it's a very dangerous time. During this time we have to switch off all our electrical appliances, especially the TV. If we hear that it's thundering, as soon as we hear the thunder, we have to switch off all the electrical things that we are using, because it can strike, and there can be a blast. So it's very important during thunder and lightning we should be indoors. We cannot be out as well, because the lightning can strike us. So we see that there are a lot of measures that we have to take to be careful during the thunder and lightning. Okay, right. So now children, I hope you all can read. I hope you all are practicing reading. So this passage you have to read on your own. Okay children, so now let's go to the oral questions. Okay, so okay, let's see how we are going to answer these questions. Okay, who were in the garden? So who were in the garden? It was Anne and Mary in the garden. Okay, what were they doing? So what were Anne and Mary doing? They were playing in the garden. Okay, third question, how was the wind? How was the wind? The wind was cool. They say the wind was cool. Okay. Then the fourth one, what did they hear? So what did they hear? They heard a rumbling noise. They heard a rumbling noise, and after that they saw a flash of lightning in the sky. Okay. Then the fifth one, what did Anne see when she looked up? So what did Anne see when she looked up? She saw a dark cloud was covering the sun. So when she looked up into the sky, she saw a dark cloud covering the sun. Okay, Right. Then the sixth one, explain what happened before the rain. So children, what happened before the rain? First there was a dark cloud that covered the sun. No, it became dark. Then after that there was a wind. No, there was a wind that blew. And after that what happened? It started what? It started drizzling. No, it started drizzling. Small drops of rain started falling. Okay. So those are the things that happen. No, before the rain we see there is a change in the environment. First of all, a dark cloud covers the sun, and then after that it becomes dark, and then it becomes windy, and then only it starts to rain. Okay children, so page number 51. The weather. Weather changes. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it may be windy or rainy. So like we discussed, you know, there is a change in the weather. No, sometimes it's bright and hot, and then it's a sunny day. Then sometimes it's cold. When it's you know, going to rain, it becomes dark, and when it's going to rain, and then it's windy or rainy, isn't it? So before the rain, we heard in the lesson that it becomes windy first. No, so sometimes there is wind and no rain, or sometimes before the rain there is wind. Okay, so now they want you to match these two, the pictures, to a windy day, a rainy day, and a sunny day. Okay, so look at the pictures and you will be able to do this. Okay, I am sure you can do this. Like I told you, we did a lesson like this previously, so I am sure you can answer these questions. Okay children, so this is the work for today. Till I connect with you next. Bye.